Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to leave a like or a comment. Both those really do help out the channel a ton. So today's product is available on Amazon, so there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page so you can check out the current price points and all that fun information, see if it's on sale and all that. So what is it? So today's product is a pair of headphones. They are bone convention headphones by a company called Relxhome. This is the box it's going to come in once it arrives. Once you open up this box, you are simply going to get a user manual that's going to explain how to use them and all the controls that we're about to cover right here, right now. You're going to get a pair of earplugs. Not sure why they include these, but you get a pair of earplugs. Then you are going to get a USB to USB type, I believe A, the older charging cable. And then you're going to get the headphones themselves. So here they are right here. It has this nice flexible wire. So right here is the battery where you plug it in and you can charge them up. So anticipate the charge time about an hour and a half. It does have a 240 mAh battery in there. As far as playtime, you're going to get about 8 hours. So you'll get a good day worth of charge or use out of them. And then as far as standby, I haven't fully tested this out, but they say you are going to get 240 hours of standby. So that's a pretty long time. It's over a week. And then other aspects of it. So right above the little place where you charge it, you have the power button, and you just hold that down to turn them on. And then once they are on, you are good to go as far as pairing them to your device. So they do connect via Bluetooth 5.0. They are super lightweight, which is a really nice thing about them. They only weigh, they said 0.8 ounces, but I can confirm they are very, very lightweight, which is nice, which means they're comfortable. Now, what is the bone convention headphones? Essentially what that means is, see how they're sitting right here? They're sitting on this bone part of your ear. And what's nice about them is if you're going to a place like the gym or something like that, or you're taking a walk outside, you can fully hear the sound, you're immersed in the sound, but your ears are still exposed. So if you hear a car coming up or you hear somebody approaching you from behind, you're going to be able to hear them. But they're not hearing the music unless they're like right here up in your ear. So that's the nice aspect of this kind of concept with these way these headphones work. Another thing, so let's go over the kind of control. So you can, if they're paired to your phone, you can use them to answer phone calls. They do have a built-in mic. The sound quality is pretty good. The mic has a noise canceling and everything like that. They work pretty decent. They're not compared to like the top of the line ones out there, but overall the calls were clear. As far as the other controls, so how you answer a call, you just press the button right here. So this is your main control, and it's going to do everything you need. So you press the button to answer a call. Same thing to play or pause a song. Just simply press the button. Now, if you press it twice, it's going to skip forward a song if you're listening to music. If you press it 3 times, it's going to go in reverse to basically go back to the previous song or the start of the current song. Now, another thing I want to point out, if you need to adjust the volume button, this is one thing I didn't care for too much because it's kind of a pain. When you have them on, if you want to adjust the volume, so to turn it on, you have to hold this for 3 seconds and they will power on. And then to adjust the volume, you press this 1 time for volume up, and then you press it 2 times for volume down. And the reason why I say it's kind of annoying is, all right, so here is everything's right here. Your hand, naturally, you got to kind of feel for it. Then once you feel the bump, you can press that button to turn it up or turn it down. It's just, I would have liked it maybe then instead they use like this side or something to do the volume. But either way, that's my only kind of complaint about them. As far as sound quality, they're a great budget pair of headphones. They sound pretty decent. They're great for working out and whatnot. It's not like a Bose immersive sound, but they sound pretty good for the price point, so I can't complain about that. But yeah, so that is the aspects of these little headphones. If you are in the market for an affordable pair of headphones that you're not worried about losing or whatnot, totally worth checking these out. If there was something I didn't cover, feel free to hit me up in the comments section. I do typically respond to those, and be sure to check out the link that'll take you to the product page. And that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.